What if I told you that something so simple that wouldn't cost you a dime that you could implement today could change your life in one of the best ways possible? Would you do it? Do you have a dream? Have you always wanted to start your own business, maybe become the CEO of a major corporation, run a marathon, or win a Nobel Peace Prize? I had a dream. As a stay-at-home mom, my dream was to finish the day feeling like I had accomplished everything that I set out to do while raising happy kids, going to bed with a clean and tidy home, and being able to relax with my husband at the end of each day so that I wouldn't go to bed feeling like a failure. Just being able to master this one aspect of my life felt like a monumental achievement, and I know that I'm not the only one that feels this way. Minimalism sounds kind of boring. Most of us picture minimalists as people who live in small spaces with blank white walls, who are very logical and don't have much of a personality. At least that was what I envisioned. But the truth is, minimalism is so much more. The good news is it's not a one-size-fits-all movement. You are allowed to have a home full of color. Praise the Lord, I would go nuts in spaces full of white walls. For many of us, it can be the key to finding the time, guilt-free, to be able to go after the dreams that we once thought were unattainable. Why is that? When you spend less time each day maintaining all of your stuff, i.e. tidying, cleaning, washing, and folding, you are able to be more productive overall. And all of a sudden, things that you didn't have time for have a place to fit into your day. This is why people like Steve Jobs, Michael Bloomberg, Mark Zuckerberg, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Warren Buffett, who are known for being highly successful, were and are minimalists. Reasons for people becoming minimalists go beyond productivity, and benefits go beyond simply saving time. Some people choose minimalism or simple living as a lifestyle to allow themselves to extend generosity to others around them. The beautiful thing about minimalism is that it allows you to approach friends and family with an open hand as opposed to a closed one, meaning that when we spend less time focusing on ourselves and our environment, we can spend more time with others. We are probably going to welcome them into our homes on shorter notices because we aren't busy shoving everything into closets at the last minute, and it allows you the financial means to give. Others are really just looking for means to simplify in hopes to create a more manageable, peaceful environment to spend their time in. Instead of striving to attain more, which society has taught us will make us happy, learn to be content with less. I don't care what your number is. When you get there, you will have a new goal. You will want something else that you don't have. Or even worse, maybe something that you'll never have if you traded your relationships for money. Some people are attracted to minimalism in the pursuit of living within meager means as they aspire to gain more financial stability. This is a great reason, especially if you're paying off debt or truly making sure that you aren't creating debt to fit into a socially acceptable lifestyle just because you feel like it's a requirement for life. So, what will you get out of minimalism? It sounds like a lot of work and like such a drastic change. How do you know it will be worth it? My friend, if you are struggling with anxiety, stress, discontentment, and are surrounded by copious amounts of stuff that you just don't use, I promise you it will be worth it. It has been proven that clutter releases a cortisol response in our brains that stresses us out. Getting rid of stuff that you don't use will automatically reduce your anxiety and will greatly reduce, if not eliminate, the sense of, I feel like I need to be doing something right now, but I don't know what it is. That peace of mind to allow your home to feel like a haven, to go to bed with it reset every night, is gold. It's all just stuff. Don't let your stuff own you. Don't let your stuff steal your joy. Don't let your stuff take up all of your precious time, the most valuable commodity that you can never get back. It feels so good to look around your home and know that every item you have is something that you use or that brings value to your life. There will be so much less, I don't have time. Now, if you don't have time, it's on you. You had time. You just decided to do something else with it that day. Now you can fit the workout routine in, pick up a hobby, read a book, or start that business that you've been thinking about for the past decade. Your health will literally improve. You will probably get more sleep, be more active, and have less anxiety. You will have more wiggle room in your budget. Now you can pay off your debt, save for something big, maybe your first house, a car, your kids' college fund, beef up your emergency fund, or go on more date nights, whatever you want to do. Minimalism is a wonderful thing to teach your kids as well. Help them understand the value of not always consuming so much. Watch them get outside more each day. Watch their creativity expand and their life skills increase. The trickle effect is incredible. I'm not saying that minimalism is for everyone, and no, you're not bad if you're not a minimalist. However, I do think that everyone can take certain principles of minimalism to enhance their life as a whole. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stayed until the end, thank you so much. I will be putting out a bunch more content around minimalism and will show you how you can implement it in your life effectively and have fun doing it. So if you want to stick around for that, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you know when new content is released. See you next time. Take care.